In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a database that was accidentally deleted. Hostinger. Accidents happen, but if you're using Hostinger, restoring a deleted database is straightforward as long as you have a backup available. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can get your site back online quickly and safely. First, log into your Hostinger account and head to the website section. This is where all your hosted projects are listed. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to identify the one that was using the deleted database. Accuracy here matters because you want to restore the correct database to the correct website environment. Next, open the dashboard for that specific website. The dashboard is your control center for site settings, resources, and tools tied to that site. From here, look to the left sidebar and open backups. This is where Hostinger stores your automatic or manual backups, depending on your plan and settings. Inside backups, go to the Restore and Download area, then choose Database Backups. You'll likely see two categories in this section: Files and Databases. Since we're recovering a database, make sure you're in the Database Backups tab. Restoring a files backup won't bring your database data back, so choosing the right tab is essential. Now pick a backup date from before the database was accidentally deleted. Take care with the date and time. Choose the most recent backup that you know is clean and complete. Remember that restoring a database will roll it back to exactly how it was on that date, which means any newer changes after that timestamp will not be included. If you're unsure, it's often safer to select the latest backup taken just before the incident. When you're confident in your selection, click Restore Database to start the recovery. You may be asked to confirm the action. This is normal and it's a safeguard because the restore will overwrite the current state of that database. Now, wait while Hostinger completes the restoration. Keep the page open, avoid refreshing your browser, and let the process run. Depending on the database size, this can take a few minutes. You should see a status indicator or confirmation once it's done. After the restore finishes, your website or application that relies on this database should reconnect to the recovered data automatically. If things don't look right at first, try clearing your site and browser cache, then test again. And if you still need help, Hostinger support can check logs and confirm the restore status. That's it. By carefully selecting the right site, opening backups, choosing database backups, picking the correct date, and restoring, you can undo an accidental deletion and get back on track with minimal downtime.